Welcome to a crucial market analysis where we dissect the structural currents shaping global and Indian investment landscapes. Today, we'll navigate the complex interplay of geopolitical tensions, evolving economic paradigms, and sector-specific opportunities. Our focus remains firmly on identifying long-term structural trends, employing institutional risk assessment terminology to guide our understanding of market dynamics. We aim to provide a comprehensive framework for strategic positioning, moving beyond short-term fluctuations to capture sustainable value creation. Prepare for an in-depth exploration designed for the discerning structural investor. First, let's address the persistent geopolitical risk premium impacting global commodities. The ongoing Iran crisis, coupled with US dollar volatility, continues to be a significant shaping force, particularly for precious metals. Analysts highlight a fresh test for gold and silver as these macroeconomic and geopolitical factors converge. For assets like physical gold and silver, we observe patterns suggesting a breakout watch as they consolidate amidst heightened uncertainty, potentially signaling significant positive volatility expansion. This environment underscores the importance of portfolio diversification with assets that historically perform during periods of geopolitical tension. The ripple effects of geopolitical shifts extend to global trade routes and logistics. The Panama Canal, for instance, has witnessed a noticeable revenue boost, intricately linked to the broader implications of the Iran conflict and altered shipping patterns. This highlights the vulnerabilities and critical junctures within global supply chains. As maritime logistics adjust to new realities, certain freight and shipping indices may appear overextended. We advise a trim consideration for positions within specific logistics firms that have perhaps hit major historical extension targets due to temporary rerouting benefits, assessing their long-term structural advantages. The discourse around global currency dynamics, particularly the US dollar's role, is intensifying. Narratives suggesting China's intent to dethrone the US dollar may oversimplify its strategic approach. Instead, China is engaged in a nuanced, long-term global currency strategy, not necessarily a direct war, but a methodical expansion of its currency's influence. This has profound implications for reserve currency status, cross-border trade settlements, and the broader financial architecture. Monitoring these structural shifts is crucial for understanding future liquidity and capital flow dynamics, particularly for the US dollar index, DXY. Shifting to societal and economic trends, a significant structural change is underway in housing markets. We observe a growing segment of individuals, particularly in key economic regions, reconsidering traditional homeownership. Many renters now express that homeownership is no longer central to their American dream, finding renting really freeing. This cultural and economic pivot supports a structural expansion in institutional-grade rental properties and asset management firms specializing in large-scale residential portfolios. This trend warrants a breakout watch for companies positioned to capitalize on this evolving consumer preference for flexibility and reduced asset-heavy lifestyles. The regulatory environment for major technology firms is continuously tightening globally, exemplified by Australia's recent moves to toughen social media bans for children and increase penalties. This signals a broader, intensifying thematic shift towards greater accountability and governance for tech platforms. Companies reliant on user engagement, especially among younger demographics, face increasing operational risks and compliance costs. While not a trim consideration across the board, it requires a careful assessment of social media giants' ability to adapt to evolving global regulatory frameworks, which could impact their long-term growth trajectories and user acquisition strategies. Examining domestic financial trends, a notable disparity exists in American household savings. IRAs collectively hold trillions more than 401k plans, yet individual engagement in IRA contributions remains comparatively low. This highlights structural challenges in retirement planning and wealth accumulation. It suggests potential long-term implications for asset managers, financial advisory services, and the broader capital markets as demographic shifts and savings habits evolve. Understanding these nuances is critical for financial institutions, as tailored solutions for diverse saving preferences represent significant untapped market potential for growth and asset aggregation. In navigating current market volatility, it's essential to identify sectors exhibiting structural resilience or emerging breakout watch potential. Following a turbulent week, certain segments of the market are displaying oversold conditions, yet poses robust underlying fundamentals. Concurrently, top Wall Street analysts are highlighting specific names with strong long-term growth potential, distinct from short-term cyclical plays. This necessitates a granular approach, identifying positions showing significant positive volatility expansion below key structural overhead resistance, while also applying trim consideration to assets hitting extreme near-term overbought cycles or facing negative thematic shifts. It's a game of active, structural repositioning. Transitioning to India, a nation undergoing a profound structural transformation. The imperative for green energy is driving massive infrastructure investments. India's ambitious targets for renewable energy capacity expansion, particularly in solar and wind, are creating a breakout watch scenario for key players in the sector. Government incentives, coupled with private sector capital, are accelerating the build-out of solar farms, wind parks, and electric vehicle charging networks. Companies at the forefront of this transition, from generation to transmission and storage, are positioned for substantial long-term value creation as India decarbonizes its economy. Parallel to its green energy push, India is rapidly advancing its digital infrastructure. The rollout of 5G, coupled with a surge in data center development and the expansion of digital payment ecosystems, underscores a significant structural growth narrative. This comprehensive digitization effort is not merely about connectivity, it's about transforming economic access, efficiency, and innovation. Companies enabling this digital backbone, from telecom providers to data infrastructure specialists, are experiencing immense thematic tailwinds. This represents a clear breakout watch for firms that are foundational to India's digital future, enabling vast swathes of economic activity. India's manufacturing sector is experiencing a renaissance, fueled by government initiatives like the Production Linked Incentive, or PLI, schemes and the Make in India campaign. These policies are structurally incentivizing domestic and export manufacturing across diverse sectors, including electronics, automotive components, and pharmaceuticals. The objective is to enhance India's global competitive standing, create employment, and reduce import dependency. This shift presents breakout watch for manufacturing conglomerates and specialized component producers. As supply chains diversify globally, India is strategically positioning itself as a pivotal manufacturing hub, offering long-term growth for industrial equities. The deepening of India's financial sector is another powerful structural trend. Expanding credit penetration, increasing insurance uptake, and the rapid growth of the asset management industry are indicative of a maturing economy. Fintech innovations are disrupting traditional banking, offering new avenues for financial inclusion and efficiency. As household wealth grows and formalization of the economy accelerates, demand for sophisticated financial products and services will continue its upward trajectory. Major banking and financial services institutions are well positioned for sustained expansion, representing a breakout watch for fundamentally sound financial sector equities. In conclusion, the global investment landscape is defined by profound structural shifts, from geopolitical realignments impacting commodities to evolving consumer preferences and intensified tech regulation. Simultaneously, India stands out as a beacon of thematic infrastructure and equity growth, driven by an unwavering commitment to green energy, digital transformation, and manufacturing prowess. For institutional investors, the mandate is clear: identify and strategically position within these long-term structural trends. Employing rigorous risk assessment and a forward-looking perspective will be paramount in navigating both global complexities and the immense opportunities presented by emerging economic powerhouses like India.